real body for Franco.
Okay.
So I get it
Hmm? It's yours.
because Franco gave it to me.
Yeah.
G, I like your watch, G.
What is that? Did Franco go to the store for you? He went and bought you something?
He was with Daddy, I guess.
What is it? What does that say?
You little.
What is it, son?
Give me